Welcome to an open source tutorial. As the title of this video suggests, I will demonstrate how to search for documents on openSourceCM. There are two typical types of searches you can run on openSourceCM. One is a keyword-based search, and the other a metadata search. The metadata search, known as term sheet search, is found in your tab section on the top of the screen and is an entire topic on its own. The keyword-based search, which is the topic of this video, can be accessed by clicking the Search tab in the application. The initial screen is very straightforward. You have an empty keyword field where you can type in the keywords you are searching for, and you have to select between searching for your keyword within document names, folder names, or deal names, or between searching for that keyword within the texts found in the documents themselves. Now notice that at this point, the folder, deal, and documents names option is highlighted. And if you'll notice on the right hand side here, you have something called a header search and a few terms, Ajax, Acme, and reduction. The list here displays the most recent keyword terms searched for under this option. If I switch to the other option, the only inside document text search, you'll notice that you get a different list of recently searched for keywords. I'm going to search for the word contractor inside the documents found on the OSCM2 platform. So let's go ahead and press the search. And we have a list of documents showing up here where the word contractor appears in. As you can see, the search term contractor is highlighted within the text showing up in the search results. You can also see who uploaded the document name, of course. You can see in what section of the document the keywords appear, and if there is more than one section, a list will appear. You have an indication of how many instances of the keyword were found on the different documents searched. In other words, the term contractor has shown up in 76 documents on the system. You're also given an indication of where each document is located within your directory system. Now let's move on to a search by looking for a folder name, a deal name, or a document name. And I'm going to plug in the name openSource and search for that. Again, the keyword we've been searching for within the document name or the folder name has been highlighted. We're also given an indication of how many times the keyword was located within folder name or document names on the system, and an indication of where each of the instances found is located within your directory system. Let's go back briefly to the only inside document section and notice that the contractor term that we used for the previous search has shown up here where it wasn't before, and the same goes for going back into the folder, deal, and document names option. Notice that openSource now shows up over here. This means that next time you want to run a search for a keyword you've already looked for, all you need to do is show up here and click the keyword. Here we have just one result returned. However, notice that within this document there are 10 more instances of the term SABD-SW showing up. This makes it much easier for me to locate the document I'm looking for based on context in which the term is found, and obviously I can hide the results also. Thanks for listening. For more tutorials, please visit our blog.